You guys want to hear something completely insane? Right now, there's an open source project called Clawdbot. This is currently melting GitHub with over 84,000 stars. While the rest of the world is still typing prompt into a browser, people are using Clawdbot to build what it is essentially a personal Jarvis that lives on their own hardware. It's an AI agent that doesn't just talk, it has hands. It can read your emails, execute terminal commands, and control your browser, all while you're texting from WhatsApp. But here's the kicker. It's 100% private and model agnostic. We're looking under the hood of the local agent revolution. One, the architecture, the 4-layer brain. To understand why this is a value jump from ChatGPT, you have to see the architecture. Clawdbot isn't just one piece of code, it's a 4-layer stack. One, the gateway. This is the bridge. It connects you to your messaging apps, Telegram, WhatsApp, Slack, via WebSockets. Second, the agent. This is the reasoning engine. It takes your messaging and decides which tool to use. Third, the skill, Cloud Hub. Over 565 communities, from checking your unread server's status to executing Git workflows. Fourth, the memory. Unlike Clawdbots, this use markdown, backdown, persistent memory. It remembers your preferences from 3 weeks ago because they are literally stored in text files. Technical notes, the deep dive. For the nerds in the room, like me, here's the technical breakdown. Runtime, it requires Node.js 22+, the latest build uses the Vegas protocol for WhatsApp and the Grammy framework for Telegram. Model agnostic, you aren't locked into Anthropic. You can route specific tasks to different models. Use the Claude 3.5 Sonnet for coding, but switch to a local Llama 3 via OLlama for summarizing sensitive documents. Proactive execution, it can support cron jobs. You can tell it every morning at 8 a.m., scrape the top AI news from Hacker News, and DM me a summary on Signals. 3. The Jarvis Reality Check. Security. We need to talk about shell access. Found that hundreds of users were exposing their gateways to the public internet. If you leave the gateway bind setting on anything other than localhost, you are effectively giving the internet a remote shell into your life. If you're going to set this up, do it right. Here are 3 pro tips for 2026. Pro tip number 1, the Mac Mini Farm. The viral trend of Mac Mini Farm exists for a reason. Don't run Clawdbot on your primary machine where you have your bank logins. Run it on a dedicated, isolated Mac Mini or a $5 Hetzner VPS. Use Tailscale for a secure mesh VPN to access it remotely. Pro tip number 2, tool sandboxing. In your configuration, always enable .sandboxing for the browser tool. This prevents a malicious prompt injection from a website from accessing your local file system. While the bot is researching for you, pro tip number 3, the multi-agent loop. Use the task orchestrator skill. It allows Clawdbot to spawn sub-agents. You can have one sub-agent researching a topic while the other agent drafts the report. It has a parallel processing for your personal life. To wrap this up, guys, the honeymoon phase with cloud-only AI is over. We're moving toward owned intelligence. Clawdbot is the first real step towards a digital employee that you don't have to pay a subscription for. I've put the one-liner install script and the security hardening checklist in the description. Drop a comment. What is the first thing you'd automate if your AI had full control over your computer? Hit subscribe for our next deep dive where we'll be tearing down the knowledge graph memory system to see how it actually learns your habits.